we are going to install the piston into the caliper. So we have to insert the component. So we do it one by one. So first we do piston number 1, open. So piston number 1 is the biggest. Now we can duplicate this one by pressing Ctrl and then click, and then it's already duplicated. So this is the front. So this is the big piston. In order for me to select the inside, I can make this one transparent or invisible. So I just click this side. So now it is invisible. So I can now select the base and then make, and then to the cylinder. So now see the position is correct, concentric. Okay, check. So now this base and this base will also be coincident. So check. So piston number 1 is in already, and then piston number 2, or still number 1 but on the other side. Okay, select, and then we make it concentric. So make sure that the position is correct. So we have to, okay, concentric, and then check, clear. All right, let's see if, okay, so it's correct, the position is correct. Now we are going to make this base as well as this base of the piston. Oh yeah, we have to make it coincident. So now this space and this space. All right, then coincident, check. Okay, so the piston, oh yeah, wrong. So this is wrong. We remove this one, delete. All right, we make first concentric. So we go, okay, this cylinder and this cylinder must be concentric. I put the other way around. All right, and then check. Okay, so this is the piston, and then this base together with this base, then coincident, check. So the two piston is already in. Now let's insert the number 2 piston. Insert, browse number 2, open. So this is the 2. Then I control to duplicate, control and drag. So we put this one. So the same thing, we go made, and then select the cylinder. Okay, and the cylinder, let them concentric. Okay, check, and then the base. Okay, and then the base, let them coincident, check. So this one also, cylinder and the second cylinder there, let them concentric. I want to flip it, so we just flip. Okay, check, and then I want this base to be coincident with this base, and then check. Now we done the second piston. We go to the last piston, insert, and then the third piston. Okay, open. So it's here. Press Ctrl and drag. Okay, now we have two. Then mate, we are going to mate this piston to the third cylinder. So concentric, I flip it. Alright, check. And then this space will mate to this space. Coincident, check. So the other one, cylinder. So I select the other cylinder. Alright, so concentric, check. And then the base, Okay, coincident, check. So the assembly of the piston into the caliper is already completed.